Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to copy and paste text from a website. That website don't allow to copy the text from that website. So as you can see guys, I have opened one website. So in this website, when I'm trying to copy any text from here, so the text was not copying in my Google Chrome browser, as you can see guys. Okay, so same problem if you are also facing, so you can try this easy and simple method. I am not going to use any extra third-party app software to do this, so just follow this method. So this video only for educational purpose only guys, don't misuse this trick. Okay, so I am using Google Chrome browser. In your browser guys, first you need to copy your website URL like this. Okay, and then click on three dots, go to settings. In these settings, from the left panel, open privacy and security, and in the right panel here you can get the option site settings. Just click and open it. Scroll down and find out JavaScript, open it. Okay, like this. And here guys you can get the option not allowed to use JavaScript. Just click on add button, and then you need to paste that website URL. Okay, like this, and click on add. That's it. Okay, now go back to your website, reload your website one time, refresh it like this. Now let's see how it's worked. So now I'm going to copy the text. So as you can see guys, the text was now copying successfully. As you can see guys, just select the text and then right click on it, and here you can get the option copy it. That's it. Or you can also use the shortcut key, hold Ctrl key button and then press C from your keyboard. Okay, so this is the easy and simple trick to copy the text that website not allowed to copy. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.